Back-to-back meetings. My brain feels a little fried.
You need a break. Maybe a walk in the park later?
That actually sounds like a great idea. Want to meet there around 6?
Sure, I'll bring snacks. Now you've just heard a casual invitation between two friends. Notice how natural it feels. There's no script, just two people talking about their day. This is how you improve your English, by listening to real conversations like this and slowly practicing how they sound. Let's shift to another moment, talking about hobbies and interests.
You know, I've been trying to get better at photography lately.
Really? That's awesome. What kind of photos do you like taking?
Mostly nature. Trees, birds, sunsets. I love how peaceful it feels.
Do you go out on your own or with others?
Usually on my own. It's kind of a personal escape.
I get that. I like journaling for the same reason. It helps me think clearly.
That's a great habit. I've tried journaling, but I always forget to keep it up.
Try doing it just for 5 minutes before bed. No pressure. Just write whatever comes to mind.
I might give that a shot.
See how easy that is? You're listening to how people express thoughts, share interests, and ask simple follow-up questions. These are the real building blocks of daily English. You don't need fancy words to connect. Just be present in the conversation. Now let's imagine a more professional setting. You're at the office, chatting before a meeting.
Morning, Taylor. Did you finish the report for the marketing team? Yep, just sent it over. They'll review it this afternoon. Nice. I still need to tweak my slides for the client call. Need help? I've got a few minutes. Actually, yeah. I'm not sure how to explain this one chart clearly. Let me see. Maybe start with the overall trend, then zoom in on the details. Oh, that's a smart way to do it. Thanks. No problem. That's what teammates are for.
Even in a professional environment, the tone can be casual, warm, and helpful. Being clear and supportive goes a long way, whether you're talking to a friend or a colleague. Now let's take a break and imagine a more social moment. You and your friend are walking down the street, chatting on a sunny day.
This weather is amazing. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, I love this time of year. The light feels softer.
And the trees are just starting to turn yellow.
Perfect for photos.
Exactly. You know, sometimes I wish I lived somewhere that had 4 seasons.
Me too. We get a little taste here, but nothing like the mountains.
Maybe we should plan a weekend trip up north.
That would be amazing. Fall leaves, hot drinks, and no emails.
Now that's my kind of vacation.
These everyday chats may seem small, but they build your fluency in a big way. You're not just learning words, you're learning rhythm, emotion, and connection. Let's visit another everyday situation, grocery shopping.
Hey, do we still need eggs? Yeah, we're down to 1. Better grab a dozen. Got it. What about bread? Get the whole wheat one. It lasts longer. Cool. Want to check the snack aisle? Of course. I need my late night chips. Don't forget, we have a budget. Okay, just 1 bag.
See how practical and simple that is? It's useful language for real life, and it's spoken in a friendly, familiar tone. Now let's listen to a short conversation at the doctor's office.
Hi, what brings you in today?
I've had this cough for a few days. No fever, but it won't go away.
Okay. Do you have any allergies or medical conditions?
No allergies. I'm generally healthy.
Let's take a look. Deep breath in and out. Sounds a bit tight. I'll prescribe something to help loosen it up.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Rest well and drink lots of fluids.
Even short exchanges like this are useful. You don't need to know complicated medical terms. Just listen to the tone, the flow, and how people respond politely and clearly. Let's imagine a lighter moment now, talking with a friend about food.
So, what's for dinner tonight? I was thinking pasta. Again? That's the
week. It's easy, and I'm tired. Want to help cook? Sure. Let's make it interesting. I'll try making a new sauce. Deal. I'll handle the garlic bread. Teamwork makes the meal work. Exactly.
Short, friendly, funny, and full of expressions you can use right away. You can also use these moments to practice pronunciation. Try repeating some of these lines out loud after me. Say them slowly, then say them naturally. The more you repeat, the easier it gets. Let's go to a new scene, a hotel check-in.
Hi there. Welcome to Lakeside Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Olivia Smith.
Let me pull that up. Yes, here we are. 3 nights in a double room?
That's right.
Can I see some ID, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your room key. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. and Wi-Fi info is on the card.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
I will, thanks.
Staying in a hotel? Now you know exactly how that conversation sounds. No guessing, just real English. Let's keep practicing. We're getting more fluent with each moment.
Hey, what's the plan for the weekend? No plans yet. I might clean the apartment.
Exciting stuff.
Well, I was also thinking about going to the farmer's market. Now that's better. Want to go together? Sure. I could use some fresh fruit and maybe a coffee on the way. Deal. It's a plan.
And just like that, you've listened to real-life English. Imagine it's a lazy Sunday morning. 2 roommates are sitting at the kitchen table with coffee.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I kept waking up for some reason.
Weird dreams again?
Yeah, something about missing a train and then getting lost in a bookstore. At least your dreams are interesting. Mine are just noise and confusion. I kind of like them, though. They make me laugh the next day. Well, now that we're up, do you want to go for a walk later? Yeah, I think that would be nice. Maybe grab breakfast on the way?
From cozy mornings to shared errands, this is how English sounds when it flows naturally between people. Let's keep going with another simple errand, going to the post office.
I need to send this package to Canada.
No problem. Do you want standard or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Standard takes about 10 to 14 days. Express is around 3 to 5 days, but costs more.
Let's go with Express. It's a gift for my sister's birthday.
Got it. Just fill out this customs form while I weigh the package.
Here you go.
Perfect. That'll be $22.50.
Here's my card.
And here's your receipt. It should arrive by Friday.
Thanks so much.
Useful, friendly, and now let's move to something even more everyday, getting ready in the morning.
Do you know where my blue shirt went?
Check the laundry basket. I think I folded it last night.
Oh, found it. Thanks. Do we have time to grab coffee on the way?
Only if we leave in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll grab my keys and meet you downstairs.
Don't forget your lunch.
Already packed. See you in the car.
Notice how short these lines are. That's how people speak when they're busy. Quick, clear, and to the point. Let's imagine another moment, catching up with a friend you haven't seen in a while.
Oh, wow. It's been forever. I know, right? When was the last time we saw each other? I think it was your birthday party last summer. That long ago? That's wild. How have you been? Up and down, honestly. But I'm in a good place now. That's good to hear. You look happy. Thanks. I've been focusing on small things. Daily walks, good books, simple meals. It's the little things that make a big difference.
This is how friends reconnect. It's soft, thoughtful, and honest. Next, let's drop into a bookstore scene.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes. Can I help you find something?
I'm looking for a novel. Something light and funny.
You might enjoy this one. It's about a group of friends who start a fake bakery.
That sounds perfect. Is it part of a series?
Nope, it's a standalone book, but the author has other similar ones.
Great, I'll take it. Do you also have any travel guides?
Yes, aisle 7, toward the back. Let me show you.
Thanks so much.
Anytime. Enjoy your book.
Now let's return to a casual chat at a park bench.
Look at that little dog. So cute. I think it's a corgi. Look at those tiny legs. Dogs always make me smile. Same, even when I'm having a bad day. There's something peaceful about just sitting here, isn't there? Yeah, no emails, no noise, just sunshine and quiet. We need more days like this. We really do.
The more you hear English in this natural way, the more confident you'll feel using it in your own life. Now, imagine you're helping a tourist.
Excuse me, I'm trying to get to the art museum. Is it far from here?
Not too far. Are you walking or taking the bus?
I'm walking.
Okay, go straight until you see the big fountain. Then turn left.
Got it. And the museum is on that street?
Yes, about 3 blocks down. You'll see a big building with glass doors.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Helping someone can be a great way to practice simple, clear English. Now, a conversation between siblings.
Did Mom call you today?
Yeah, she wanted to remind us about Dad's birthday dinner next weekend.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
Don't worry, I told her we'd both be there.
Did you already get him a gift?
Not yet. Maybe we can go shopping together this week.
Sounds good. He mentioned wanting a new wallet.
Perfect. That makes it easy.
See how these conversations are personal and real? They feel like life, not like a textbook. Let's imagine a moment of celebration.
You won the contest? Are you serious? Yep, they just emailed me the results. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. Thanks. I didn't think I'd win, honestly. You've been working hard for this. You deserve it. Let's celebrate. Dinner's on me tonight. Deal. I could really use some sushi.
And finally, a calm end-of-day conversation.
It's been a long day. Yeah, I'm ready to just lie down and do nothing. Want to watch a movie? Something relaxing? Sure. Maybe a comedy? I'll make some tea. Thanks. You always know what I need. That's what friends are for.
You've now heard hours of natural, relaxing English. Conversations about life, work, feelings, food, weather, goals, shopping, and more. All spoken slowly, clearly, and gently. This is how you train your ears. This is how you learn to speak confidently. Not through stress or pressure, but through real, meaningful practice. You can always come back to this video anytime. Play it again tomorrow. Shadow the voices. Repeat the lines. Let them sink in slowly. English doesn't have to be hard. It can feel like this, calm, peaceful, and natural. Thanks for spending your time with me here at Real Life English. Wherever you are in the world right now, I hope you feel just a little more confident than you did before. See you next time.